Hello! Welcome back! Hopefully everyone can hear me, hopefully the music is coming through. Always with the audio checks. Yeah, I was streaming this morning. I'm doing something, I'm trying something out. I'm doing co-working streams. So yeah. Pretty good. Have a good lunch? I did. Thank you very much. Thank you to everyone in chat. See a bunch of people. See some people on YouTube, always good. See some people from LinkedIn who came to Twitch. That is good. As I'm always saying, Twitch is the best place to watch these streams because you earn channel points, you can play marbles, and honestly, I just prefer Twitch. But I'm trying to at least spread the love and stream on multiple platforms. I'll also remind you about 4 giveaways. Yes, we're going to do more giveaways. Midnight in India. Damn. I'm so glad you managed to watch the stream. On Twitter as well, that's cool. Alright. My attendance record is tragic. Okay. Yeah, today is Cyber Mentoring Monday. We are basically good. I don't know what we're going to do. These streams are always kind of random, I guess. We might try some more Hacking Hub, I guess. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. There are some easy rated things I'm looking at, so no, maybe. We'll figure it out. But yeah, hopefully.
Thank you for following.
Excellent. Okay, the alert box is coming through on one channel, right? It's not like doubled. I think I finally fixed everything audio related. It took a while, I won't lie. Cool. Go your Flipper Zero. Awesome. That's cool. You know any good try me or Hack the Box rooms that feature Kerber roasting? I think there is literally one called Kerber roasting. But honestly, the best way is just literally to type like try hack me Kerber roast into Google, and I'm sure you'll find some. Yeah, it looks like there is one literally called Attacking Kerberos. So there you go. Alright, should we start off? Let's start off with marbles. Alright, this is marbles. Unfortunately, for anyone who is not on Twitch. Oh, there we go. Well, Cursed Legionary redeemed a marble race, so we're gonna do this marble race. If you're not on Twitch, unfortunately, you cannot participate on in the marble races. This is just how the marble game is set up. Unfortunately, seeing YouTube comments, I am indeed. Yeah, I have a merged comment section. You should be able to see above me. A merged comment list, so it should include all the comments from Twitch, from YouTube, from LinkedIn, from Twitter, and from Kick. Although I probably don't have many viewers on Kick. I assume I'm still allowed on Kick. The last time we... Well, it wasn't the last time we streamed, but the time before we streamed on Kick, one of the Kick staff was like, can you turn your comments off? Like, what? I don't know. I never heard anything from them. Alright, let's find a random map. There we go. Twitch blocks at work, YouTube okay though. Awesome. Well, I'm glad. Alright, well, yeah, like I said, unfortunately, this game is Twitch exclusive. There's only some things I can do that are multi-stream, but yeah, this one unfortunately is just for the people on Twitch. I do have most of my viewers on Twitch though, to be fair. So if you want to play, you have to go to Twitch and sign up and type !play. We got a countdown though. This is for a giveaway. For a voucher giveaway. Let's have a look at this map. Very cool. Very cool space. Spacey themed. Alright, here we go. Who is going to be the first to find the hole? It's a big question. It's a question everyone wants to know. Who's the first to find the hole? I think it might have been Agent Positive. It might have been a Rubius. It was tricky. Oh, but I'm Bry though. Straight through. Look at that. Look at that skill. How to improve Linux command? I mean, if you keep asking, like, I don't know, man. I don't know. That's such a generic question. The man pages, I guess. Like, which Linux commands? I'm happy to help, really, but like, you kind of need to be more specific. Like, what issues are you having? What are you not understanding about Linux commands? This is a close race. Random Pickle is not gonna make it. Agent Positive still in first. But stopped, unfortunately. AZ Chris. Where to put the commands. Agent Positive, first place. Well done. I'll tell you where to put the commands, Commander Girl. If there's anyone who should know where to put commands, it is literally the girl named Command a Girl. But it is the command line is where you put them. Alright, who is in last place? Leon. Alright. Well, I think everybody made it. Yeah, 20 out of 20. Very nice, very nice. Alright, Agent Positive, well done. Unfortunately, oh no, hang on. Did you beat the stream record? You did. You beat the stream record, I think. Yes, 1 minute. Yeah. All right, Agent Positive. That means you get a 2-month voucher. Do you want a voucher for Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, Pentester Labs? Choose your poison. I'm here for a reason, commanding you to use the command. We will be using the command line today, I promise that. Agent Positive. First of all, thanks. Hack the Box will be great. Alright, excellent. Let me write this down. Agent Positive. Let's make sure I spell that right. 2-month Hack the Box. Gotcha. Alright, excellent. And that's one of the giveaways done. So we've got 3 more to do. Might do another one today, I don't know. Slowly getting worse. Exactly. All right. Let's see. So somebody said Naham store was pretty good. I gotta log in. Crap. Hang on a minute. Hide the display. Try not to dox myself. You can hardly... Well, yeah, I know. That's kind of the point. You don't want to look at me the entire time. You want to be looking at the screen. Like, it would be quite unfair if I was hacking like this. Alright? Okay, you can look at me for a bit. Look at me right now. I give you a chance to have a good gander, and then we'll I don't know how Trush Puppy does her sensor screen. I assume it's some kind of cool plugin she has, but I don't know if she uses OBS or Streamlabs OBS. I use Streamlabs. Anyway, all right, that's enough. That's enough of me. I'm gonna be like very, very small in the bottom right corner. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. How did... God's sake, I logged in. Literally logged in. Why didn't it log me in? What? There we go. I think I found a bug. Alright. It wasn't the wrong password. How was the net gala? I already talked about that earlier, White Cyberduck. You missed out. It was good. Just composite blue filter with pixelate blur algorithm and hex. All right, I mean, we could try it. So let's see. Where's my screen? Display capture. Here we go. So I go to filters, edit filters, and then it's Okay, well the thing is, what is a composite blue filter? Because I've got various different filter types. Is it image mask? No. Oh, hang on. Presets, maybe. No. Color correction? No, I don't know. Well, let's figure out at some point. For now, I just have a button on my Stream Deck that just hides the display. It's very cool. All right. So, I'm just monitoring chat. Hang on. I'm gonna put you on my tablet. You're too teeny. I thought you watched my streams before, Commander Girl. Okay. Launch hub. So last time, if you remember, we developed. Well, I developed.
Thank you for following.
Why aren't I making Leon a mod? Should I make Leon a mod? Should we do a vote? Let's do a vote. Let's do a poll. If I can find a poll, here we go. New poll. Should Leon be a mod? Yes, no. Alright, there you go. 2 minutes. You guys decide whether Leon should be a mod. Bashidi, exactly. Completely forget who I have modded on here, to be honest. Do I only have like 2 mods? It matters because I also have Bonzo. Well, everyone's voting yes for... Well, one person voted no. I don't know who voted no. Ooh. Maybe it was Leon. You're 20 minutes overdue on the giveaways. No, I'm not. We already did a giveaway, Malicus. You missed it. And just for that.
New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude.
Did that go through? Did the Malicus Maximus thing go through? Oh, great. Okay, I'm gonna have to mess with this. Hang on. Alright. So now I think it should.
Maticus Maximus!
Yeah.
Maticus Maximus! Maticus Maximus!
But now I feel like the alerts are gonna be fucked. Someone redeem an alert. Or actually, I could just do it.
Mr. Streamer!
Yeah, they doubled now.
Who's gonna listen? Our friend Netcat. Hello, I'm Netcat. I'm definitely
was
a
great.
cat.
I don't give a
God.
shit about your
If I
opinion.
can listen to
Get
that
fucked.
data, I'll listen for it. On 40, 40, 40, 40.
So,
Maticus Maximus! Maticus Maximus! Maticus Maximus!
I honestly don't know why. Um... Oh god, we're going to spend the entire stream troubleshooting my audio setup again. Hang on, I have a document somewhere. I'm just going to put myself back on screen. Um... Okay. All right, let's just double check everything. Okay, master PC output is that.
Thank you for following.
Okay. Desktop audio should be that. Oh god, I hate this. Oh wait, actually, maybe. If I do that.
Nice.
Okay, that doesn't come through doubled, right? Could you guys all hear that?
Nice.
That was good. All right, hang on. Let's just try Mr. Streamer again.
Mr. Streamer!
Was that
Hello
doubled?
again, Tiberius.
God damn it. Okay, what about now?
Nice.
And the alert too. Why? Was that doubled? The fail? The fail sounded normal? Oh. Well, hang on. People, half the people are saying it's doubled, half the people are saying it's normal. Like, what's going on? Okay.
Oh god, what is this, Tiberius?
Yeah, I don't know.
Shut up and take my money!
It doesn't make any sense. Because desktop audio is set to a completely different track. Yeah, echo is doubled. That's what doubled means. Reload the OBS. I mean, I can't reload my OBS, can I? Because that would stop the stream. No, it's not about Arubius. It's difficult. I mean, I can just mute the damn desktop audio, to be honest. I'll have to figure it out myself when I go offline. But now, basically, I think you should still be able to play alerts, but I won't be able to play I won't be able to play sound effects, I think. All right. Anyway, let's get back to it because this is kind of just annoying. I think it's because I had to. The thing is, I had to reinstall my audio setup because it was balked. I had everything set up and I tested it all, but I guess I just messed up something. Maybe I have to restart Streamlabs or something. I think we should... The sound alert should be fine.
Mr. Streamer!
Like, did you guys hear that? Hopefully you did. I don't know. Okay. All right. So what we have here...
I am Tiberius. I know all the web apps.
Yeah, there you go. So the issue is I just had to mute my desktop audio feed, which is weird because that shouldn't be the one that's muted. Oh yes, I need to mod Leon. There you go. Well done, Leon. Okay, it's gonna be Naham's store. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use Auto Recon, and I'm gonna use the config file that I wrote last time. And do this. Well, Bonzo is also a mod, Maticus, so it's 3 of you now. I think Al might be a mod as well. All right. Al actually hopped in earlier. Okay, so what we have here is oh look, we've already got some subdomains. So let's go to the website first. Let's actually load the website here. Is it gonna work? Oh, I guess I actually went to HTTPS. I just need to go to HTTP actually. Seems to be going very slowly. Maybe because this is still scanning? I don't know. There we go. Alright, it is loading. So I think with this lab we have use a combination of subdomain enumeration, brute force, content discovery, and fuzzing. Find all the subdomains you can and answer the below questions. Okay. So I guess let's go back to the virtual host. We can try marketing in stock. So if I go here, marketing dot, and also stock dot that. I guess we can also just try and register an account. Yes, I am using Auto Recon. But I'm very specifically using Auto Recon with this custom custom config file I wrote. Cat. So this basically, this changes sort of Recon's defaults. So it uses the provided hacking hub word lists that they gave us. Okay, well this is getting gateway timeouts. That's not good. I guess maybe we just need to wait for some of these scans to end. It looks like we've still got... Yeah, we've still got Nikto, Durbuster. What's on port 8000? There's another site, apparently. Ah, this one has admin. Okay, so what we'll do, actually, is go to... We'll go to HTTP. Oops, no. What? Okay, we'll go to this site. On port 8000/admin. Yeah, it's just getting gateway timeouts. Ugh, so annoying. I'm not even doing that much. That much scanning. I might have to ping Adam about this. There's no way a few like GoBuster basically scans should take down this site. I mean, well, I guess we'll just cancel it. All right, refresh this. Okay, so we got a marketing manager campaign thing. Let's just open both of these. Machine booting. Oh, it literally crashed it. Damn. Okay, we have a stock thing. If I go to /product, I didn't want to go to HTTPS. Stock 2. Oh, why is it doing that? Sticker pack. Default of 50? I don't think it defaults to 50. $20. Well, let's try going... Alright. Let's just try and register an account then. Alright, so I'm logged in. Alright, let's get the sticker back. Check stock. Oh, okay, so that's just the API call. Well, there's so much to do on this site. Can we try SQL injection? Let's do sticker. And then let's do sticker with a single quote. Oh, I fucking hate that. I thought I dealt with this. Yeah, always use secure? No. So why is it automatically trying to send me to... Reshapers off. That's really annoying. That shouldn't be a thing. Right, let's try... I guess we're just gonna have to use repeater all the fucking time. Alright, let's render it. We do this. And do that. Okay. Yeah, so it's that. All right. So it's probably Postgres, I'm imagining. I wonder what happens if we just do something silly like this. No. Can we do sticker and 1 equals 1? If I URL encode that? Interesting. But that does work. Let me try... Okay, stick it and then just A. Oh, that's... That's weird, that is. I'm not sure what this is. It is interesting that I can do something like this. And it would work. I kind of want to just send this to like the scanner. See what it thinks. Alright, let's try this marketing logon, I guess. Let's try admin. Okay. Right. So that was. So I can change the. Naham Stores duo. Hang on. Yeah. Okay. So I guess the question is, can I like embed like PHP? Yes, we can. Okay. No, not HTTPS, come on. Okay, cool. I guess we can we get a shell on this? Like, well, no, I don't have a public IP. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? We can't really get a shell because I don't have a public IP address. What I can do though is just go here, and then we can just do some exploration. So like PWD. Is chat still there? Like, I feel like I haven't had any people say anything in like 10 minutes. Alright, we're in marketing public. Cool. Okay. env.php sounds fun. So why don't we cat that? Okay, we get basically a .env file, it looks like. This is saying open Fargate content /var/dub/dub/.env. So we will cat that. There we go. Doesn't really give us much other than so let's just do another ls-la ... Probably okay. Okay, there's a data directory. Campaigns.json, interesting. Okay, so that's just boring, actually. So these are the files that we've been editing, look. What, marketing? Oh, that's where we were. Marketing port, whatever that one is. Okay, it's the same, I guess. Alright, we'll keep going up. There's .env. We already grabbed that. Okay, so let's just try looking in the root directory. Well, there's a flag. Okay. That's cat/flag. All right. Oh, okay. There's a bunch of crap here. Well, we got the RCE, haven't we? So we got to find another flag. I don't know where the first RCE flag is then. What? I guess we just use a find command. Flag.txt, I guess. What? Interesting. What about home? Crap. Nothing in home. Okay, I guess we can grep for flag. I guess I could use ngrok, but that, nah. Oh, I need to grep -r, I don't know. Not Infinite Craft. I don't know what this first one is supposed to be. I still haven't found Jimmy Jones's SSN. Okay, hang on. We need a vulnerable to XSS was the search, I believe. Presumably you can just do something. If it would stop trying to take me to HTTPS. No, apparently not. This definitely should have been. Oh, it's because it's in there. Alright. It's JavaScript based, so hang on. Yeah, we're down here, look. So we should be able to do something like alert 1 like that. Yeah, okay. So if I take the view source bit out and replace it with HTTP. There we go. Alright. So we got no, come on. Just search. I mean, this is definitely correct. Just that? Is that what they want? Do they want the entire URL? Hang on. Well, just gonna save that. I mean, I did only include the equal sign. But the example they gave is this, look. It's not a search parameter. It's a search page. Gone caps lock. Oh, hate that. Come on, I don't want capital Q. I literally want lowercase q. What is going on? It's like... It's freaking like... Chrome broken or something. If I want a lowercase... Now it works. Yeah, really, this is getting on my nerves. The constant redirection. Okay, this will need. So we can't get a. All right, I see what we need to do. So we need to do something like, on focus equals alert 1, and then go autofocus equals 1, and. There we go. All right. So it is just /Q, I guess. I mean, if this doesn't work, /Q equals. Why? Like, what? I'm gonna get on Twitter and complain to Adam.
Incoming raid.
Oh, who's raiding? Oreo Bite. Hey, man. Oh, I messaged Adam Langley. I was like, if you're around, the Harm Store isn't accepting my 100% valid answers for XSS. Okay. Let's abandon the XSS for a minute. Find 2 URL parameters that produce an open redirect. Okay, that should be easy enough. So I'm imagining there's probably a logout. Oh god, I wish I hadn't done that. Maybe. No, okay. What happens if we try and go back to like my settings? Was it account? Yeah, okay, let's try and go to count orders while logged out. There we go, redirect URL. Okay, so I think it's going to be this one. So it just needs a parameter, I'm guessing. Come on. Alright, that one worked. Any way to make cookie stealing by JavaScript go faster? Like, what do you mean? You gotta be a bit more specific than that. Like, what are you trying to do? Alright, so there's another redirect, which apparently is only one character. I don't know which on the marketing site. Redirect URL stat, okay. Well, let's just log in and see. Page is not working. What? Come on. Extend time. Oh, Infinite Craft. Crap, come on. What's going on? I guess it just doesn't like this anymore now. Okay, I don't know what this one is. I'm guessing maybe it's just R. Yep. Crap. Oh my god. Sorry, just... Everything is going really stupidly. I'm just responding to Adam, hang on. What was the XSS we found? It was like Q equals, right? Yeah.
Thank you for following.
All right. Well, yeah, but that's the thing. I don't like this question then, because it says we've put quite a few XSS vulnerabilities into the web application. See if you can find them all. Enter a URL, include parameters of an endpoint that is vulnerable to XSS. So this, to me, suggests that all of them should work. Alright, what have we got here? There are two SQL injection vulnerabilities in the harms store domain. One will return data to the page and the other is blind. The flag can be found with a database called SQL1 and SQL2. Okay, I mean let's just try and find these, I guess. I wonder if this is like a union then. So let's just do like order by one. No. Well, actually, that wouldn't work. Hang on. Oh yeah, because I hate that frickin' thing. Well, I wonder if the discount code is. Where did my discount code thing go? Oh, discount test. Here we go. So. Really hate that. I feel like there is an SQL injection here. I'm just gonna run this via SQL map because honestly, it feels like there is, but like, it's really weird if it is there. But let's just run this by SQL map. Actually, I think we can just do it without. Let me just give it the URL. Determinant equals 10. We'll do level equals 1. It's PHP, so I imagine it's probably going to be MySQL. DBMS equals MySQL, and then just do -u, and then -p is q. Okay, let's just shove it up to level 3. Hey, Chameleon. Could be Postgres, I guess. Yeah, if you look at the chat on the screen. Well, let's go back down to level 1, but let's just disable the DBMS thing. Alright, Hmm. um. The reason I think it's SQL injection is because if I do a search for sticker, I get sticker. If I shove a single quote, we get nothing. Another single quote, we get nothing, which is expected. If I put a space in there, we don't get that. But if I do, if I convert this to like a concatenate or a slash or, I get a sticker back. Now that, yeah, no, it wasn't that. Interesting. Let me just try this. Okay, that's... Oh crap, hang on. Yeah, okay. So I think we are good here. But that doesn't work, so if... Can I do that? I don't think it's Oracle, because Oracle doesn't do the plus symbol. There are the plus is either MS SQL or MySQL. And I'm leaning towards MySQL. But what I can... what I might be able to do here... to be... Yeah, SQL map is... interesting. I just don't. So here's let's just go. Let's go to SQL fiddle. Let's go DB fiddle. No, wait for delay test would be SQL server. So like, we do something like something like this, right? So select version where Tiberius equals Tiberius, you get the version. If you then do something like a plus, you technically get this, but this is like an and. It's weird, like a plus in MySQL plus symbol. I don't believe it's a concatenator. Yeah, unary operator that does almost nothing. So, like, what am I doing? If you do this, you get 0. So and if I do this, I get 1. No, 0. Right, because they're both false. Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing. If you do this, what I believe is going on here is this is an unary operator, which basically it's trying to think of it as like an and. So what it's trying to do is it's saying, hey, this string and this string. And these are both false, technically. These are both false strings, so you get a false, a 0. I think if I put a 1 here, you get a 1 back? Yes. And the same if it was this. So actually that might be worth trying then. If I do sticker plus 1. But no. But that works. I'm so confused. And if this was a 0... No, it works either way. Oh no, this is really confusing me. No, there's no NoSQL. NoSQL, sorry. Oh, that's okay. That's weird. Shut up, redacted. I'm so confused with this. I'm saying the wrong words. That's weird. That shouldn't happen. I feel like there's no SQL injection here at all. Then I don't know what it is, if it is anything. I don't think it's command injection either, though. Some of the application endpoint which use you to allow. Okay, let's just try and find some more stuff, I guess. All right. I wonder if this is the... Because I did notice we were... Can I do like that? But URL encode it. Dot dot percentage 2f. Page not found. Dot PHP. I do actually want to try something then. So I think this is... Yeah, this is it. So if I do... Can I do something like touch... // data Tiberius.php. And then if I do this again, there's Tiberius.php. Now what happens if I do Tiberius up here? Not found. Interesting. I don't know what this libx32 is? Nothing, I guess. Okay. I guess we'd always have a look in backups. Nothing. Now, this is a confusing box just because, like, I don't know, it's... I'm really confused about the SQL injection. Within the home store domain. I haven't found the XXE yet. Oh, can I log? Should probably log in. No, I can't log in anymore, can I? Yeah, fuck. Maybe I should restart the box. I think that's probably the best bet. I don't know why I can't log in anymore, but... Okay, good. Gonna register with a password. Let's actually make an order though. Let's view this. Yeah, someone said the check stock, but I think the check stock... Ah, here we go. So, it's making a GET request, I presume, but... So the thing is, there's no... Oh, there is SSRF. View an API that shouldn't be available. Interesting. So if I actually go to the stock API here, when the stream start, about an hour and a half ago. So it's taking the server and it's basically appending /product. We can do this. We could do this if... and then /2. So actually, I guess what we could try and do is send this to intruder, this request here. Go to not payloads. Replace product with server-side variable name, start the attack, and then see. Because I imagine there's going to be like a permissions issue or something. Oh, I should probably be using just parameters, shouldn't I? From the file. We'll do that in a minute if this doesn't find it. Yeah, okay. So what we'll do instead, use a runtime file. Let's do content. Patros or the ID might work. The issue is going to be like we want to get to something. It says there's a secret. I guess we can start doing code review. What was the... Was it admin? No, it wasn't. What was it? It was marketing. Coke. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, go here. Oh, I hate this. I freaking. Where was the admin? It was there, right? Marketing. Right, where do we find the admin? Oh, it was port 8000, that was it. So it was actually just on HTTP port 8000. Not even product. Crap. Oh, come on. We didn't find any. Come on, please work. Oh, it was, yeah, but this one was /admin. Right, there we go. And that was admin. And then I could do this. System. Yeah. Command. Done. And oh, what? Wait, maybe I did this wrong. No, that looks good. Why is that not working? System, let's go get. Did I do this wrong? What? Oh, I don't know. All right, let's. I guess let's just cat the index to PHP. Yeah, we've already got the flag. This is very confusing, to be honest with you. All right, let's look in public. Okay, I assume that's where I was for this bit. Okay, so let's go routes. URL. All right, so we're going to cat /route/url.php. Okay. Interesting. I'm going to copy this information because that's seems kind of useful. Where the fuck are we? All right, now let's go back. Into view. Okay, that's fine. Let's go into controllers. That's where all the juicy stuff should be. Marketing manager, perfect. All right, so now we should be able to cat this. All right, good. Okay, so basically, we look in here. Yeah, what this means, this route thing, means that, hey, you can get and post to /, and when you do that, you're going to load the Marketing Manager controller and run the home function. So this is the Marketing Manager controller, and this is the home function. And what it's doing is it's calling its own campaigns function. And then it's setting that to a variable called setting it to an array campaigns, passing that in a data variable to the dashboard view. Oh, there's an error. Ah, hang on. Open redirect. Error then. No, wait, what? Alright, hang on. Hang on. So, no, this is Hacking Hub. Okay. So the other one what it's doing here, it's basically says, oh, here's an MD5 hash. Run the marketing manager campaign function, which is this. You notice this function takes an argument. That argument is literally this thing. And so what it's going to do is going to iterate over the JSON file. And it's going to compare the hash and see if it... Oh. It's going to see if it double equals... I wonder if it's vulnerable to type juggling. Like... Okay, so basically... What happens if we just give it a 0 and correct the stupid error? He's not found. Alright, hang on.
Oh god, what is this, Tiberius?
Oh shit. Oh, actually, wait a minute. Campaign not found. Oh, hang on. So if I do like 1. No, wait, what? It should redirect us to this. Okay, this loads the page. If I change this to an E... Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Okay, yeah. I don't... Oh, so it has to be the same... That's weird. It looks like it's almost like it's doing a length check. But I can't see where the length check's being done. Oh, either way, it's in the PHP. Yeah, no, I just realized something. That's dumb. Alright, never mind. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. Oh, what's this? Great, gateway timeouts. Lovely. Alright, let's just add some stuff. Um, so obviously there's some more. I don't want to delete anything because like that was address ID 5. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's do that equals 1, and we're going to use a runtime file, and we're going to use parameters. I'm kind of just looking for like just various things now, because like honestly, like the SSRF. I mean, we found the SSRF. The issue is just like view an API that shouldn't be available. I'm not entirely sure what they mean. All right, there's nothing. And the IDOR even says, like, you'll be able to read others use it. An existing user has an address in New York. Find the first line of the address. The date and time of order ID 3. Alright, let's place an order like I said I was going to do, actually. Add to basket. Okay, add another address. There we go. Test, 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 test. Okay, we're gonna send to Mr. Test Test. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there we go. PDF generator, what? Come on. Failed to load PDF document. Lovely. Alright, well, let's... Alright, here, there's the IDOR then. Okay, so if we go back to number 1, or not. Okay. I'm just going to send this. So order 1 is this one. Sorry, order 4. Order 3. Follow redirect. No, wait, what?
Thank you for following.
Order 2, order 1. What happens if I just delete the cookie? Follow redirection. No. Okay, what about the PDF receipt then? PDF generator. PDF receipt. Here we go. Oh, I need to enable binary content. That would help. There we go. This should work. Apart from it doesn't actually display the damn thing. What is going on? I feel like this box is just broken. It's a cool concept, but the box seems just completely broken. And I really don't know why. I'm just gonna have to talk to Adam about it. Cause like, hang on, I was messaging him. PDF receipt seems broken too. Yeah. Weren't you the one who suggested this redacted, or was that someone else? Can't remember now. I'm so confused by this like false SQL injection. I'm really not sure about it. I don't know what to do with this. Because other than trying to enumerate endpoints, I'm not entirely sure what we're supposed to be doing. Like, and I hate this about that. The product page. So yeah, it's entirely possible this has an SQL injection. I'm really, I don't know why Chrome is doing that. One back. This page? Well, yeah. In the search, you mean? I mean, that's the thing. It's weird. I can get some stuff, but I can't get anything out of it. No, we didn't. Like, okay, so here's what I found. If I do a single quote, I'm so pissed off right now. I don't know why. Oh, wait, but there's search dash products and search. Oh, hang on a minute. I think I just missed that there was a search. My eyes. Alright, this might actually do something then. Or not. Wait, what? Okay, so there isn't an SQL injection here then. But I kind of thought... Hidden parameter. Oh yeah. I feel like this kind of site I don't think is very good on stream because like it's literally just going to be running param miner at literally every single endpoint, which just takes so long. I guess what we can do is just we can do ampersand equals and then just nothing, I guess. Yeah, it's a good thing for that. It just can be frustrating.
Following.
All right, there was something there. We'll just wait for it to go. Oh yeah, this is very similar to AppSec in real life. But that's why it's really that's why I prefer doing CTFs on stream, because it teaches the skills and it's in a more straightforward way. Like I what I'm doing right now is not how I approach web apps in real life. Like, well, sorry, it is right now what I'm doing. Like param mining everything and just going all out. Oh, hang on, no, it's not. That's just a queue. Okay, I guess that was the wrong endpoint to use then. Do we use this one? Which endpoint? Like, there's two endpoints we're talking about here. There's search, and then there's search dash, whatever it was. You gotta be specific, because I can only read like certain comments. Oh, it is the ID. Okay. All right. Is it down again? It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't help when the box just keeps going down. All right. Oh, here we go. All right, there we go. We got errors. We got some cool errors going on. All right, let's actually just take this then and send it to repeater. I swear I tried that before. Why did that not?
Following.
Didn't we try this? Like way back at the beginning of the damn stream? I swear to God we tried injection into the product ID at some point. Maybe it was in the queue. I could have sworn we'd done the product ID. Maybe not. Huh. Why did it here though? Like, oh, because it's. Oh, that's freaking evil. Yeah, there's product slash. That's what I remember. I did do... I hate that. Alright, well, here we go. So if I do something like probably just dash, 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 it's going to be fine, right? Great. Why? There we go. Alright, so here we go. We got some basic SQL injection. We can probably just do an order by. I'm gonna have to use so we do order by, and then we do 1, and then we do a dash dash dash, and we're gonna keep incrementing. It's basically gonna be a union injection, I imagine. Order by 3, order by 4, by 5. Unknown column 6. That means there are 5 columns. What we can do is we can do a union all, select. We can try just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We could try just nulls. Null, 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 null. Okay, we probably need to change this 2 then to a 0. Yeah, alright. So the reason that doesn't work, I'm guessing, is that it's the same reason I tell people not to use all 1 equals 1. So this product ID thing is it's assuming you give it a number, right? If you give it an ID, there should only ever be 1 ID. So the query on the back end is, oh, I'm going to take a 2. Let's just assume that, let's just ignore all this. The query at the back end takes the 2. It says, hey, can you return all the products, right, which match ID 2? And there should only be 1. So obviously in the database, it returns 1 row. So there's a check on this page that says, if 1 row is returned, show the product. Otherwise, put an error. Okay? Which makes sense. As soon as we put this in here, what's happening is now I'm unioning. So I'm actually doing a union. So what I'm doing, even though I'm injecting a 2 here, this union is creating 2 rows in the table. It's creating, firstly, a row which matches the ID of 2, and then it's creating another row, a second row, which is all nulls. So there's 2 rows being returned by this query, and then obviously when the row number check is happening, it's going to say, oh, well, is there 1 row? No, so I'm going to return a 404. So a really good trick, by the way, if you see this anytime, and honestly, you should try this. If you're ever doing unions at any point, use a valid ID first, and then use an invalid ID. So either 0, or you could do like -1, or sometimes even just like A. Oh, we need, yeah, no, you can't do A because it's a number. But if the ID is alphanumeric, you could do an A. But 0 often works because often there's no 0. And now we can see we have a bunch of zeros and stuff in places, I assume. So what we can do now is we can actually change this to we'll change this to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there we go. Now we can see everywhere our values are reflected. So, if we use like the 2, right? We know that we can get the 2 is basically the title. So we can do something like version and grab the version number. And this is a MySQL database, so that's the version for MySQL. Okay. So I think it told us in the SQL injection, flags can be found in databases called SQL1 and SQL2 in the column name flag. So what we want to do here is we want to say flag, we're selecting flag, right, from SQL1. There we go. I imagine that I don't have permission to access SQL2, but we're going to try it for the memes. No. Select command denied to user Naham store SQL1, table SQLi2. Alright. Well, that's useful. At least we found one SQL injection. I'm still confused. Where the other one was. I mean, I guess it is in the product search then. It's so suspicious, this. And now I'm just going to be looking at the request because honestly, I just want to see, does this thing actually return the sticker thing? So hang on. It doesn't. Oh, okay. So it does get the. Okay. So the problem with the SQL injections, like someone asked me this on a video I made a few months ago, but it's like, yeah, there are obviously. That's the thing with any with any bug that's fixable is that the developers are developers. They sometimes make mistakes. They sometimes don't implement stuff correctly. It is perfectly normal to find SQL injection. I found so many. I found over 100 last year alone on various websites. It's still there. I don't think we're ever gonna get away from SQL injection. It's just it's too easy to mess up. So yeah. All right. Okay. So this is interesting then. But yeah, I don't think there is an SQL injection here then. Which makes me think it's maybe on like a login. No, we could totally try it on the login. God, it's doing this thing again. Actually, unless that is... Hang on. No. Oh, why does it do this? I keep messaging Adam. You can register another user? I mean, that's maybe, but like... they should probably fix the issue where if you log out, you can't log back in again. You know? Is it usually PHP? It doesn't really matter what it is. It's possible to get SQL injection in any kind of application. Um. All right. Ah, here we go. Oh no, wait a minute, what? No, okay. Oh, that was the IDOR. Oh, there we go. We finally found it. All right, hang on a minute. All right, this is a really good. This busts some myth about IDOR. All right, so a lot of people just think IDOR is like finding IDs in the URL and crap, and that's not the case. So if I do an intercept here, and I click the please choose an address in your address book. This is mine, right? This is my address. I click that. Address ID 8. Let's change it to 3. That's an IDOR. Okay? We're getting access, we're using an ID that doesn't belong to us, and we're being able to use it in some way that either gives us information or makes us gives us access to something, right? So this is the IDOR. All right, what was the thing about? First line of the address is this one. No, they're identical. In fact, I actually prefer Bowler to IDOR now. I just think Bowler's more fun. So what happened is, I guess Bowler is the API one. I forget what Bowler actually. It's a better description, to be honest. API security. It's like broken object level access. Authorization. Broken object level authorization. And IDOR is literally insecure direct object reference. So I like Bowler both in how you like the acronym, whatever, the not the initialism, acronym, yeah. Both that and the fact that it's better at describing what an IDOR is. It's object level authorization. So it's authorization that isn't specifically tied to some functionality. It's specific to an object. All right.
Incoming raid.
Who is raiding us? Crash Puppy, 195. Holy.
Thank you for following.
You're ranting about Python has got you fans. I've got a friendly Prime stream. That's cool. Love it. So I wonder if this is going to work now. No, I think.
Subscription received. Dispensing gratitude.
Oh, thank you.
Gratitude dispensed.
Oh my goodness.
New subscription received.
Blind Hackers
Dispensing
gifted
gratitude.
5
Gratitude
subs.
dispensed. New subscription received.
To
Dispensing
Urison Lux, Zetlery,
Gratitude dispensed.
Chirigatini, Nicer, and Commander Girl.
New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed. New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
Thank you so
New
much.
subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
Yes, he is. Yes. No, I've spoken to Blind Hacker several times.
Thank you for following. Thank you for following.
Damn, okay. For me, Bola feels like what exists when you find instance of an actual vuln. IDOR is the potential for brute forceable identification. IDOR has nothing to do with brute force. Don't think that. And that's one of the things I hammer on to people.
Thank you for following.
IDOR is an access control
Thank you for
vulnerability.
following.
If you let's say you had this, right? Let's say that this order ID 5, right, was this. Oh, hang on, that's not how I. Come on, copy.
Thank you for
There we go.
following.
Let's say that this UUID was the order ID, and that if I changed it, right, if I found some other user's UUID and changed it, I could access their order. Right? That's IDOR. Okay? It doesn't matter that this is unpredictable and not brute forceable. That's irrelevant. The fact of the matter is, you can take an ID, right, which is not secret, not necessarily secret. GUID, it's a UUID. It doesn't matter. It's the same kind of thing, right? It's an ID, and there's no the access control is not tied to your session. The access control is based on the ID, which is bad. ID should not control access control, right? The session should control the access control. So in this case, because that's the other thing is like IDs, especially when they're in the URL, they can show up places where they're not supposed to be. This is not like a session cookie. It's very rare that your user will copy their session cookie and paste it on the internet. It's not as rare, but definitely not uncommon for people to copy URLs and paste them places. All right, you can find UUIDs for things. So UUIDs are not security. This is just an identifier. It just happens to be an identifier that is purposefully supposed to be globally unique, right? It's supposed to have enough entropy that no application should ever have this ID. All right, because there's just so many different combinations you can have. All right, clearly at some point we're going to get duplicates, but for now it's fine. All right. Anyway. Oh, we got a text to British speech. Blind Hacker wants me to say, cheers, mate. So there you go. And Cursed Legionary wants a wheel spin. All right, we'll do a wheel spin. Wheel spin time. Time 1 hour and 5 minutes. All right. That's going to be interesting. I'm going to choose my right hand to type with. We'll put a timer up. Uh, 5 minutes. There we go. All right. So what else we got to find here? I was going to say, I think this PDF generator is where the other thing is, the other IDOR, because this ID down here looks very suspicious to me, but unfortunately it's not even working, so... alright. I haven't found the XXE yet. Which is interesting. I guess, can we just try creating a return? Oh, order number is 8, right? I don't know why I put 9. Invalid order number? What? Oh, it was 5. I guess... There we go. That. Okay, cool. So... Interesting, returned an auth. Okay, so I wonder what happens if... I guess we could try just doing node number 3 here. Oops, 3. Wrong size test, maybe? Can we do that? That says order number 2. What? I don't know what... I'm not sure what this does. I'm not entirely sure what I'm supposed to be seeing here. Node.js are so safe, aren't they? Node.js is not. Node.js is the new PHP. It's really bad. Kind of hilariously how bad it is. I kind of wish that it wasn't so... Like, I prefer to, like, do a brute force, like, search on this, but I guess it's just not going to work. No. And it goes to HTTPS for no reason. I didn't tell it to do that. It's just going to do it. File parameter missing. Here we go. I can start typing. Okay, I'm going to go back to the... All right, send this to repeater. Here we go. We're cooking with gas now. File equals Etsy password. File does not exist. Interesting. So hang on. Does that mean if we go back to the products? You know what I think it is? I think I had images turned off. I really shouldn't have. Yeah. That's why. Could have noticed that earlier. Okay, what we can try and do is go like... Actually, no, it said there was a... local file inclusion. You can read this. Okay. I guess the question is, can I just do that? Will that work? Okay, can I just do... Oops. Right. Okay. So let's just double check and see if we can do directory traversal at all. No. Okay, well, maybe can we do like something like dot slash? We can do dot slash, okay. Can I do like dot slash images slash? Files don't exist. I feel like we should go back to this here and just start doing an ls. You can probably find the images somewhere. Alright, let's just cat this. Oh, Windy Force, thanks. Alright, so we have a different thing here. Alright, let's check out website.php. Oh crap. Okay, that does nothing. Marketing manager.php maybe? It's gone down. Yep. Ugh, it's really annoying.
Thank you for following.
Why can't I send? Oh, there we go. File does not exist. Yeah, so I'm like... I think you've had ticks. since I was like, I don't know, 5. Oh, we can do dot dots. Interesting. Oh. Maybe we have to URL encode everything. So I wonder if it's stripping out like dot slashes. Let's try something. Let's put dot slashes in the middle of this. Okay, or not. Let's not do that, I guess. Come on. The hell. Just change the damn freaking. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna do this again. Haha, yeah, I figured you out. So it's taking dot slashes out, but I imagine if we put a dot slash in the middle of a dot slash. Yes. All right. Now we got it. So if we do dot slash dot slash dot slash dot slash dot slash LFI slash So, I mean, this is literally a hacking challenge. So, lfi./flag.txt. So if we send this, all it's going to do is it's going to literally try. It's going to remove all of our dot slashes. So what we want to do is put another dot slash in between every single one of these. I figured it out. Alright, that was easy. So that was just literally just playing around, realizing that the thing that made me realize it is literally when we were just messing around with. That's why you should always mess around with these kind of things. So when you can access a file like this, right? A great way to check if LFI is like if directory traversal is even a thing is just to do a dot slash in front of it, because a dot slash should return the same thing, right? Because it's literally just a same directory and then just a forward slash. So that when that worked, I was like, oh, okay, well that's cool. But then always try and always see what happens if you just do a dot slash, because they shouldn't make any sense. There should not be a unless this file is in the root directory, right? If you do a dot slash and then followed by this, you shouldn't get the same result. Okay? So, yeah. This was interesting, and that's why I decided, hey, I wonder what happens if I put it in the middle of the file. Because obviously if you put a dot slash in the middle of the file, it's breaking the file, right? So that doesn't make any sense, but you still get it back. Which means it literally must be removing it. And then you just need to figure out, okay, well, how can I stop it from removing it? And adding a dot would have done it. But obviously adding a dot doesn't help us in any way. What we want to do is we want to get it so that when it removes the dot slash, right? Because if you think about it, if we have this dot, these 3 dots, right? What we assume it's doing is it's removing any instance of dot slash. So when we have dot slash, what's going to happen is you're going to end up with that. And that's invalid. So what you want to do is you want to find a way to make it so that when you remove a dot slash, you still have a dot slash. The easiest way to do that is insert a dot slash somewhere in here. Obviously you can't do it at the front and you can't do it at the end. You could either do it here, right? Or actually you can't even do it. You can do it there actually, yeah. So there's two places. You could either do it after the first dot or after the second dot. Either one works. Right? Because if you think about it now, right? So let's just pretend we are the things. We have 3 dots and that. So now what we're doing is we're looking for dot slashes. Okay, we got a dot, we got a dot slash. There we go. We've got a dot slash there. Remove it. And now the cursor's right here. Remember, this is how a single pass like find replace works. Okay, if you're iterating this over a while, like a while true loop, or just always checking and always removing every single instance recursively, this wouldn't work. But the fact is, what it's doing is it's reading along character by character and remembering the last like 3 characters that it's read. So it's remembering a dot, it's remembering a dot, it's remembering a dot, but it's forgetting this dot. All right? And so all it has is a buffer that it's reading. So it reads 3 dots and it's like, okay, well that's not a dot slash. And then it reads this / but forgets this first dot. And now it has in its buffer a dot slash. It's like, oh, okay, well, we can remove that then. But now it's here. It doesn't go back to this dot. It just keeps going. It's like, okay, we got a dot, we got a slash, and there we go. Nothing else. If it was recursive, that would not work. Because ultimately it would reach the end and then it would read through. Generally how recursive search replace works is it counts how many times it had to delete something, right? So in this case, it deleted it once, and then it starts the beginning again and goes through. It deletes it once. It starts the beginning again. It goes through. If at any point it doesn't delete anything in a pass, then it returns. That's how the recursive stuff works. Difference in parsing between Nginx and the app server can be interesting. Yeah. I remember that one. All right. We're coming up on the end of the stream, I think. I'm so confused where the ecstasy is. I guess I'll maybe we'll come back to this at some point. The SSRF is interesting as well. I mean, we found the SSRF. I just don't know how we're going to find the API that shouldn't be available. I guess it's just a matter of fuzzing or something. CSRF is just really, really annoying.
Thank you for following.
In fact, I think it's on the accounts page, isn't it? Where am I? Can we try path reversal on the ID and SSRF? The issue is, what are we trying to get to? The problem with the SSRF is we need to find an API. So path reversal is fine, but I don't know how we're supposed to find this API. The home path leaks. Well, that's the thing. I'm pretty sure what it's doing is it's just contacting the same API that we're using. We should probably use the OSINT as well. Oh, crap. Because here's the thing, we can access this stock. But sure, we could try that. So we can do something like... Let's actually refresh on how this worked. So this went to product. Oh, just product, sorry. This stupid thing. And then product /2. Okay, so here we go. So what we have here is... This is the URL we want. And now what we have here is product ID 2 server equals. And so what's happening is it's taking this value, it's applying, so it's going to prefix right that, so it's gonna get this as a string. It's then going to concatenate this server value. Let's just put that in quotes like that. It's going to then do a plus. It's going to concatenate /product / and then it's going to do product ID. So if we change the 2 to like a 2 /... maybe? No. What we could also do is we could try something like putting a hash symbol here. There we go. But you see now it's just yeah, it's not listing any endpoints. The hash symbol, by the way, that basically forces the hash symbol is awesome in SSRF because it's a comment. The comment it forces everything to be a fragment. So anything after a hash symbol in a URL is technically never should be sent to the server. Right? But yeah, even in this case. I don't know what we were supposed to find here. I guess we could try and make it connect to a collaborator server and see what the hell goes on. Server invalid. No. Yeah, I don't know what's supposed to go on here. Is there SQL in the product ID? I don't think so. I guess we could try localhost. That is a valid. No. About 127. Crap. I mean, maybe just go product and see what happens. No. Okay, well that worked. Kind of, I guess. You're welcome, Fabio. Yeah, so... The @ is an interesting thing. So in a domain... Let's go over URI first. So you gotta remember, URIs were invented quite a long time ago. And this is the syntax of them. So you have a scheme, so HTTPS or HTTP, followed by a colon, followed by basically 2 forward slashes for some stupid reason. This is optional, this bit though. And an authority. And then we have a path, and then an optional query, and then an optional fragment. So the authority is defined as this thing. So the only mandatory part of an authority is a host, which makes sense, right? So like example.com. You could also have a colon followed by a port, or you can have user info prefixing it with an @ symbol. Now the user info is very interesting. So it can basically consist of a username and an optional password. So if you just want a username, you just put the username in there. If you want a password, you put a colon and separate them. So the cool thing about it is if you have control over the end of the subdomain, or the end of the domain, and you can put an @ symbol there, then you can basically tell it to go anywhere else. Right? So you can control this bit, which is pretty cool. It's less cool if you can only control the end, but again, you can sometimes comment stuff out. So, like, potentially what we could have done is localhost and then did that. But no. It's clearly checking the start. I imagine if I put an HTTP here as well, it probably wouldn't. Yeah. So it's checking that everything starts with this. I'm assuming, yeah. So honestly, what we could have also done is something like localtest.me. Yeah. So that works as well. Localtest.me is one of these wonderful websites that any subdomain of it will resolve to 127.0.0.1. Localtest.me very, very useful for doing SSRF as well. Can we use the start as a subdomain for Colab? Actually, yes. That's a good point. Maybe we should do that. Yay, okay, we got something. But that's all it sends. Ah, damn. So it doesn't send any API keys. Damn. Yeah, so I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with this one. Interesting though. On a real test, getting a collab hit, would you stop? No, I try and see what the heck was going on. Right here, I'm just not entirely sure what I'm supposed to do. There's presumably something, but to view an API that shouldn't be available. Like, this is just a weird thing. Yeah, I mean, I assume it's some kind of credit card order API. I just don't know how we're supposed to get to it. Oh well. Well, we found most stuff. We could do a port scan, I guess. Let's do a percentage in here. Okay, payloads. I don't know why I don't have a list of these, but
Thank you for following.
there we go. nullsec.us is a good. There we go. Comma separated. Sorry, got comma delimited individual is the best one. Take it into a document, do a find replace, search for commas, and replace it with new lines. And copy and paste. Probably should also do response received. Yeah, we just got 80. And not really any differential. Hey, Miss Snowball, I'm good, thanks. How are you? Alright. Well, it's probably time for me to stop. But yeah, hopefully everybody had a good time. Well, like I said, we're probably going to do another co-working stream tomorrow. Presumably maybe at 9, I don't know. Today's went well. But yeah. Are there any questions before we sign off? Oh, I got a wheel spin. Alright, let's see what the wheel spin gets us. A Rubik's Cube solve. Alright, we can do that. We can do a Rubik's Cube solve. Webcam. Alright, here is the Rubik's Cube. I'm just gonna close my eyes and scramble it, to be honest with you. Alright, is it scrambled? That's scrambled enough. Alright, well, we'll solve the Rubik's Cube. Cool. Am I right? Yeah, good. Okay. All good. There we go. All solved.
Who's gonna listen? Our friend Netcat. Hello, I'm Netcat. I'm definitely a cat. I got big ears. I could listen to that data. I'll listen for it.
On 40, 40, 40.
40. 44.
Alright, Magicasec redeemed another wheel spin. We'll do that. That's it. No more wheel spins. Oh, I got another one? Alright. Oh, I guess I should have probably shown you the wheel spin. Hang on. That's what it ended on. Wasn't rigged. You heard it spinning. I presume you heard it. Did you hear it spinning or not? You didn't. Would you like me to spin it again? Yeah, that's true. I got headphones on. Alright. It definitely did land on it, which is why I reacted that way, but anyway. I don't mind doing another. I'm not doing one more. you get what you get what you get. Heard it stop on lockpicking. I haven't even got my lockpicking stuff set up, to be honest, so... Oh, crap. Da. This one's slightly harder. More of a weird scramble.
Thank you for following.
There we go. We did it. Alright. You've been trying lockpicking. Tip for a best first kit in Europe? I'm not actually sure. I think to multi-pick do. You know what you should do? You should look up Locknoob on YouTube. He's a British guy. So I presume anything he can buy. He might have recommendations for European lockpicks. You definitely need. The thing about lockpicking in Europe, the keyways are narrower, so you definitely need European style lockpicks. I've got a bunch, but yeah. There's definitely European style lockpicks that you want. Because if you just got American sets, no, 25,000 is too thick. Redacted. That's American. 25,000 is as thick as you should get with a lockpick. European, you want 19, 20 maybe-ish. 20's okay, but like 19, 18, that kind of range. For European locks, 25,000 is fine for most American locks. But yeah, they just get jammed in the European keyways. But I'm sure there's some good look. Like I honestly actually go on Reddit. Reddit.com/r/lockpicking should have some good ideas. For European lock companies. Just avoid Peterson. Get your belts. The thing about the belts is like the issue with the belts is once you're past a certain thing, you have to do like you have to take the lock apart, and I'm just really not interested in that. So, like, I could basically get like 3 belt levels up before I have to start taking stuff apart, and I'm like, I don't even bother. I've got one of the locks that they want me to pick for like the green belt or whatever, but I don't care. All right, cool. All right, let's find someone to raid. Is there anyone on InfoSec streams? No. Okay, let's see who is on. My Twitch. Kitty Burrito is streaming, so we will raid Kitty Burrito. It's the Kitty Burrito, right? No, let's not do You Suck at This Game. Let's do something else. Let's do Eats a Hot Pepper, You Coward. All right. She has a redemption thing where she has to eat a hot pepper. Okay, everyone copy the Eat a Hot Pepper, You Coward, and we're going to paste it, all right, in Kitty's chat. Unfortunately, if you're not watching on Twitch, you won't be able to raid. But anyway, thank you so much. Let's put up the stream ending thingy. There on the screen are my socials. Some of them anyway. Please follow me on Twitter, join the Discord server, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Twitch. I will see you tomorrow for the co-working stream, which is Twitch only. All right, Twitch only event, and then on Wednesday as well, and we'll do Web Up Wednesday and everything. All right, let's go raid Kitty and say hi and scream at her to eat a pepper. All right, take care, everybody.